Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to post something on Instagram, and a post, unlike a story, will stay there until you delete it. So for example, it's good for students who've missed the instructions on the story. They can catch up by checking the posts, and you can have a lot of fun with it as well. So I'll go through how to post a picture, and a video. They're more or less the same thing, and then also how to post a frame of text. Okay, so if you follow me, let's have a look. All right, so the same thing, you want to go to your Instagram account, and this time you want to go to the bottom row, and in the middle there's a little square with a plus. If you click that, it takes you to your camera roll, yeah? And so you can just choose a picture that you want. So I'm going to choose that to post, and then I can press next at the top right, and then it's, you can put a nice filter on it if you so wish, yeah? And you can also edit it. So at the bottom, if you click edit, it's got different things you can do. You can just play around with that, but when you're ready, you just press next at the top right. And then you can write a little something that goes with it, like hi everyone, we're gonna grab a coffee and then join me, and then check today's instructions. Yeah, and press OK when you're done. So OK at the top right, and then share it. Yeah, so top right, share, and then that will go, and that's posted. And so you'll see, if you scroll down, you'll see you've done a post. If you go to your profile page, so at the bottom you can click on the little circle with your profile, you click that and you'll see that's your first post. There you go. You can also put photos and videos of yourself if you want, yeah, but that's just playing around. So a lot of the time, for class, what I'll do is I will either do a screenshot of the website that I want them to go to, or a screenshot of the instructions, and then I'll post it. Then I'll post it onto the Instagram account. But you can, if you want, create a post. I'll show you how to do that now. So if you click on the circle at the top of your profile picture where we did our story, so if you click that, it will take you to the editing page, and remember we clicked the circle with the blue plus. Okay, and so we're at our little editing screen. Along the bottom you'll see your white circle, to press for a video or a picture. Under that will say normal. Forget about the other ones, just go to create. Yeah, so if you push your finger right, you'll see create there. Okay, and then you can just basically type some text. On the bottom right, you've got a circle with color, so you can change the color if you want, of the background. So if we just do something nice and colorful, like a nice purple, tap to type. So you can type, I always do the dates, so I'm doing this Thursday, 2nd of July. And then what I usually do is I just put the objectives. I don't know, spell 10 adjectives correctly, complete written task. Yep, so that's what I want them to do, and I just change the size. Yep, there we go. And then underneath I can tell them where I want them to do it. So go to Moodle. It's just another platform. Depends where you work, you'll use different things. Go to Moodle, download the file, download the file called adjectives, complete, and email to me by 3 o'clock. Yep, there you go. And as usual, up at the top you can do your edits, so you can add a little squiggly line if you want and press done. You can add your sticker, just I don't know, put this one, yeah. So you know, you can just play around with it. Okay, so that, what you've got there, you can post it to your story by clicking the bottom left circle, and that will just go to your story. But if you want to put it as a post, you need to download it first. Okay, so if you click on at the top row, there's an arrow pointing downwards with a line. That's the download button. So you press that, and that will now be saved into your camera roll. Okay. Oh, sorry. So now you can come out of this page, come out of this screen by pressing the X at the top left. So, and then the X at the top right. Okay, and that takes you back to here. And then along the bottom, you go to your square with the plus sign. You click that, and then it'll take you to camera roll, and then you can just post as usual. Like it's a photo, so you press that, make sure they can see all the text inside the box, you press next. When you're happy with it, you know, you've edited it, you've put your filters, change the color, whatever, and you're happy with it, you press next. You can write caption if you want, if not, then you just share. And there you go. There's another post. So if you go back to your profile page, which is bottom right, click the little circle picture, click that, you'll see you've done 2 posts. The nice thing about posts is that when the student goes onto the post, you've got options at the bottom where they can like the post, so they can click that. It means they like the post. They can also comment on the post. If they click the speech bubble, they can write a comment. So they can say, I don't know, hi Jess, I'm getting a coffee, we'll be back in 5 minutes. Yeah, and that's posted. And then if you click the back button, so the top left is a black back button, there you go, you can see a chain of posts, so people can post that. So that's good, so the students can sort of interact with you. And that is basically how to post something. It works the same with videos, but remember, if you want to post a video, you can only post a 1-minute video. It can't be longer than 1 minute. And the last thing I'm going to show you is how to post multiple frames. Yeah, so go to the same place along the bottom, go to the square with the plus, like that. And if you want to post more than one picture or more than one thing, you can see here where the square is. You can see at the bottom you've got an infinity sign, then you've got kind of a box that's divided into 3 sections, and then next to that you've got a square on top of a square. You want to click that one. That one's the multiple post button. So if you click on that, there you go, you can see you can select the different things you want to post. So just for, I don't know, I'll post this, take a bit of time to upload, a first frame, then I'll post this as a second frame, and then you can do 10 at a time. Then I'll just post our lovely little Cocker Spaniels again. All right, and then when you've selected all the series of pictures you want to post, click next at the top right, and it'll show you what you're posting in what order, and you can add another one if you want. Okay, and then click next, and then share it. And there you go. There's your post of 3 pictures. Okay. So yeah, that's how you post. It's really basic. There are loads of different ways and other things you can do. So the more you play around with it, the more confident you get. I'm sure that you'll be able to do all sorts of things. But that's kind of basically, those are the basics for you to be able to communicate with your students and facilitate your learning. All right, thank you very much. And I've got one final video after this, and it's just kind of showing you how the instant messaging works on Instagram. So join me on that if you like. Thanks very much. Bye.